Hey, how you doing? I'm Julian and today I'm building this little bowl for apples. Let's go! I just had the idea to use one of these freezer bags for making a concrete bowl. I start mixing concrete and water, and this time I'm using a fiber reinforced concrete mix. And I make sure not to add too much water. If you want to make your own bowl, you could also use different kind of mixes. I just got this one on hand, so I used it and just put it in the freezer bag. Then I'm spreading the concrete mix in the bag and seal it with a tape. I'm taking a little needle to make some holes where I can remove the air that's still inside the bag. And after removing the air, I just close the holes again. And again spreading the concrete mix evenly. For getting a bowl-like shape, I just use these two plates. And I'm putting the concrete-filled bag on top. And also vibrate it so it takes shape. After 2 days of curing, I finally can remove the bag. And on the inside I got this look of a speaker. And the surface also got very soft through the plastic. Then I'm using a concrete and stone sealing product. And I spread it everywhere on the inside and on the back side. And of course there are also many other shaped things that can be put underneath the concrete filled bag. And if you have an idea, just leave me a comment. After the concrete sealer cured, I just put some little bead on the underside. And it's done! How do you like this idea of making a concrete bowl? I would be happy to hear and I hope to see you soon. Bye!